Large interior for plenty of storage. Lightweight lid detaches for safety. Made in USA. Toys not included. No assembly required. Top reviews from the United States. Larger on the inside than I expected. From images I saw online, it didn't seem that the storage would be ample enough for the toys my girls have, but I am glad I was wrong. It's larger on the inside than I expected. My daughters were able to fit toys in the toy chest comfortably, and if they wanted to they could squeeze in more. Definitely a good buy if you need something that can withstand the energy of super active toddlers. A safety feature that I love is that the lid of the toy chest simply slides into place and doesn't lock into place. It's secure enough to stay on when closed but couldn't trap your child inside should they climb in and place the lid on top. Definitely worth the price. I would buy this again.